We're at Two Beers in Seattle, Washington. It's a brewery tasting room, and we're gonna go inside and see how loud it is.
It can be a bit of a problem. I mean, especially over the years, we've seen rapid growth and success, which has been wonderful. Downside of so many people coming into our space is, as we make it more of a social atmosphere, people are more sociable, and then that's more talking, people having to talk over each other, still even trying to add atmosphere with music on top of it. It really kind of adds a multi-layer tumult of sound that can really carry throughout the space.
The crazy thing yesterday, even while we were doing the install, when there was only 3 of us in the room and the beams were only half of them were up, even at a conversational level, the space actually felt less clattery. It was noticeable even at that level. I am Dan Armitage. I'm currently the tasting room manager and lead designer for Two Beers Brewing and Seattle Cider Company. This space, when we built it out, we were on a little bit of a crunch time and there wasn't a lot of thought given to the acoustics of the room. And so we were looking for a solution for that, and I did a little bit of research myself, found what I could online, tried to find something that was economical, relatively painless to install. They didn't really have any noticeable effect.
The static fixtures are now installed in the room. The before condition has a very high reverberation time because of all the reflective materials in the room. When we added the static beam fixtures, we saw a 30% drop, so that the new reverberation time is now just below 1 second. It's noticeably more quiet in here, much more easy to communicate with the people you came with, and generally a nicer space to be.
It sounds great. I think the really exciting thing for me was being in the space when it was full on Friday and noticing that there wasn't sort of this gradual escalation over the course of the night where people would continue trying to talk over each other and that would just build and build and build, but that it actually would settle out at a comfortable volume.
I can actually hear you. I don't feel like I'm screaming right now. This is pretty amazing. I found that the overall sound quality is even better just through the speakers for the ambient noise. I've been able to have conversations at a normal voice. My throat's not sore. I don't feel like I'm screaming at all.
The staff absolutely love it. Usually the first response is people come in and go, whoa, wait, whoa.